Man, it is dangerous to give me some time on Craigslist. Let's see what I found. Now here's the ad that was posted, and based on these pictures, what would you pay for this? What do you think is a reasonable price for all of this? I'll share with you at the end of the video what it was, and I didn't even have to haggle on this, so put your guesses below. But let's see what's inside this thing. Boxes stack on, and I don't know much about them. I actually have seen a few stack on items at Walmart, so I don't know what that really means. But if you have a history on stack on, especially these professional series, the box feels pretty solid. But again, I don't know much about these to really speak on them. The lid is a little bent up, so I do need to address that maybe with some pliers. But it has some stickers, which already increase the value. What do we got? Multimeter. And it works. You know, I'm really surprised how often I'll find something with battery operated that works, that's been sitting in a toolbox. This lady, she says that she likes to collect stuff and go through stuff, so I don't even know if she really used this stuff, but it had been sitting for a while and she was just ready to get rid of it. So we have a pocket knife. Sorry about that, somebody just stopped by the house. Got a level, just a wood level. Angle mark. T-handle screwdriver, little rubber mallet, plug, pipe hanger. Oh, didn't notice these guys. Little calipers. From or by whom? Am I blind? I don't see any sort of marking here on who made this. Huh. Weird. Look at how old that clamp is. Huh. And then a brand new combination square, or miter square, 8-in-1. Who would have sold this? Kind of looks like Craftsman, but actually no, it doesn't look like Craftsman. Huh. And then lastly, a little ruler. Would have thought some cleaning would have helped. It's from Santo. There's the number. And it's from West Germany. Drawers, we have, looks like not much in that one. Some chisels. And again, these actually feel pretty decent, this toolbox. I'm actually really impressed. I had a snap-on or a stack-on box. It was my second toolbox, and it was actually given to me. I'll put a picture up here, and I really liked it. It was really well built, a little side cabinet, and I really liked it. This is a nice little screwdriver. It's always the tools that I'm like, wow, this is really cool that I can never find any sort of marking on. But this is I really like the handle, really comfortable in the hands. So if you guys know, let me know about that one. And then it looks like just some, cheap, junky screwdrivers. Oh, there's a little Stanley. What? Why? Somebody explain this to me. I get obviously why someone would do it, but who made this? It's kind of cool. Some chisels, punches, extractors. No, dead bugs. What do we got here? Gaslight mantles. Paintbrush, C-clamp. I actually need one of these. I was gonna buy one too, because I hate having to manually light. Right on. Okay. That's cool. An old clamp. Lots of old clamps. Whole drawer of shims. And then got some different pliers, some vice grips, some cutters, some very old and rusty pliers. Channel locks without the handles. Sad day. And just some tools that need a little bit of love. That's all that is. And then a little container, some hardware. What the heck is this? It's like a little brush. Hardware, glass scraper, bottle opener, new lock, which actually might be nice because I doubt we have the keys for anything in here. Phone holder, tweezers, bottle opener, and yeah. And the cover. Top drawer, this is where things I think get really interesting. So hardware, which for me is awesome. This kit of tools, which I think I actually do have most of everything. Everything kind of fell back here. So we got the driver, some bits. I'm guessing this is a screwdriver set. Of course. A black light bulb. What else is back here? Oh, it's a little bit store. That's kind of cool. And hacienda, some nails for 99 cents. Some more stuff from Stanley. And a little package of nails. A no-name, kind of cheap ratchet set. This Husky set, which I think is only missing this one socket, but we'll see. It might be thrown under here in the abyss. A little pump. Let's see. Brush. Shim. And then look at this. A snap-on ratchet. Does it work? It's a little locked up, but we'll look into this because it might be a simple fix. And a proto socket. She gave me these. She was a really nice lady. She gave me these Toolbox liners for free because obviously she wasn't going to need them anymore. But we have a ratchet from, who's this? Craftsman. How old is that? And does it work? Of course it does. This is for setting up 90-degree angles for joint angles. Let's see. Little Lufkin old style measuring tape. Brush. Oh, another ratchet from Firestone. How old is that? Let's see if it even works. Locked up, but let's see. Oh, nope. There we go. Scraper from Hyde. Old pipe wrench from, is it Champion? I can't read that. Maybe. Another brush, some casters, lamp. A brand new laser level. A little teeny beeny pipe wrench from Rigid. Rasp. A knife. Brush. Rope. Hacksaw. And let's see, a little wrench. And a diamond crescent wrench. Little guy. I think that's it. And the bottom does open. Oh, I just got some trash back here. I can't get the birds to shut up in the background, but yeah, what do you think? How much did I pay for this? Or how much should I have paid for this? Well, it was only 45 bucks. I didn't even have to haggle. She was asking 45 and I jumped right on it. So I thought it was a pretty good deal, some cool finds. Again, your help was appreciated with identifying some of these tool brands. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and check out my other tool haul videos. See you in the next video.